When should you interpolate missing pandas data? Have you ever wondered when it makes sense to fill in those gaps in your data? Interpolating missing values in pandas can be a great way to keep your analysis smooth and informative. Let's break down when you should consider this technique. First off, think about the nature of your missing data. If the missing values are scattered but not too random, interpolation might be a good fit. For example, if you have time series data, like daily temperatures, and some days are missing, you can estimate those values based on the surrounding days. Interpolation works best when your data has a logical order. This means your dataset should be indexed in a way that allows you to infer missing values from nearby points. If your data is organized chronologically, you can use methods like linear interpolation to connect the dots between known values. Next, consider the pattern of your data. If the missing values are not clustered at the beginning or end of your dataset, interpolation can fill those gaps effectively. However, if the missing values are at the start or end, interpolation may not work well without making assumptions about those points. Another reason to interpolate is to maintain the overall trend of your dataset. If you simply replace missing values with an average, you might lose important variations. Interpolation allows you to keep the data's natural flow, which is especially important in fields like finance or environmental science. Using the Pandas library, you can easily apply interpolation with the interpolate function. This function supports various methods, including linear and polynomial interpolation. The linear method is the most common, treating data points as evenly spaced and estimating missing values by connecting existing points with straight lines. For instance, if you have a dataset of daily temperatures and a few days are missing, using the previous and next days, temperatures can give you a more accurate estimate than just filling in the average temperature for the entire dataset. In summary, interpolation is a handy tool when you have missing values that follow a trend or pattern. It works best when the data is ordered and the missing values are not at the edges of the dataset. By using interpolation, you can keep your analysis robust and meaningful, ensuring that you do not lose valuable information in the process.